So, number 8, understand the risks. Now, there are some 3 big ones, and those are the major risks that you're going to see. The number 1 risk is your personal risk, because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter whatever else is going on in the world, it only matters about you. So, ask yourself, what are you afraid of? What keeps you up at night? Are you afraid of outliving your money? Are you afraid of not living the life you'd love to live, taking enough vacations? Are you worried about your children's well-being? Are you worried about some like the market's going to crash? I hear that one a lot. Or are you worried that there won't be enough Canada pension for you in the future? I don't know. There's lots of things that you can be afraid of, but if you break it down and identify what that fear is, a lot of time, and it really responds to core value about what you're kind of deep down afraid of. And it's good to just address that.